Let's learn some good habits for children. Welcome back to my channel नीलू's classroom. आओ कुछ नया सीखें. First, early to bed. Second, brush your teeth twice a day. Third, take bath every morning. Fourth, drink milk daily. Fifth, reach school on time. Sixth, pack your school bag daily. 7. Do your homework daily. 8. Tell your elders if someone hurts or troubles you. 9th, eat neatly. 10. Do not spill things. 11. Keep things in place. 12. Don't leave toys on floor. 13. Put dirty vessels in the sink. 14. Sit properly in class. 15. Keep your books neat and clean. 16. Bring handkerchief daily to school. If you like the video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel.